Hi folks, I'm Hayes Murray with Remax Boone Realty, and today I just want to talk briefly about the item you actually see behind me, which is the downspouts coming off of your house. I get asked a lot of times about what is the better method perhaps to go ahead and get water channeled away from your house. In mid-Missouri, it's particularly important to go ahead and make sure the water does get away from your foundation, because if it gets a chance to stand by your foundation and then we receive freezing weather, water that's freezing actually is obviously going to expand against your concrete walls, which is going to eventually cause them to crack. And that's not good. So the question then becomes, when you go ahead and route the downspouts to the ground, what should you go ahead and use to go ahead and route the water away from the house? And in my opinion, if it's PVC piping versus the black corrugated drain tile, to me over time, this is why I would never use the black corrugated drain tile, and this is why. This is what I dug out of a property that I'm working on here today. I realize that's a great close-up, but this is the outcome over time. If you can just see that there and see how clogged up and packed up that is, with mud and everything else, it just, over time, this will become completely ineffective as far as getting the water away from your house. So I highly recommend using PVC pipe. To me, that's the way to go. Get the water as far away from your house as you can, and that's all I wanted to have a commentary on. So I hope you're having a good day. Thank you very much for your time. Appreciate it.